Wondering how to utilize your last 1 week before ACC examination? Then this video is for you, as I am sharing my personal tips which I have used to clear my ACC examination. I am Megha Bansari, ACCA and the Indian Chartered Accountant. So with just 7 days left for your ACC examination, I know a lot of nervousness, lot of feeling of underconfidence, under preparation. Guys, please do not let all that overpower you. Stay confident, stay calm, very, very important. Now, how to plan those next 7 days is pretty crucial. So I would split it into two parts, first 4 days and then the next 3 days. In the first 4 days, guys, what you should focus is on quantity, doing as many questions as you can, doing your weaker topics, doing as many past papers as you can, attempting mock test. So your 4 days need to be utilized very effectively on doing questions, on practicing, and doing concepts again and again. So that's what you need to do in your first 4 days. Also, I highly recommend to do your examiner's report, important technical articles, go through good number of questions. If you are a skill level student, please do a lot of MCQ practice, because that's where students normally are weak. And if you're looking for any sort of assistance on how to get all these, how to get your past papers, what to do in terms of examiner report, we have created videos for all of these, so you can check it out. I've also created a video on what are the essential free ACCA resources which you should be using before your examination. So get as much as understanding about the paper, knowledge as much as possible in these 4 days. Then now in the next 3 days, the first day what you're supposed to be doing is to build your exam strategy. So you already know what is the paper pattern, what kind of questions come. To give a simple example, like in skill level, I know section A is MCQ, section B is case study, section C is solving. So if I feel that my MCQ part is weak, then I will not start with A and B, I will start with section C. Or I know normally, like in professional level, section A, if I talk about SBR, comes from group accounting. Group accounting is my strong area, so I will start with section A. So build your exam strategy so that you're not wasting time in the examination to figure out which question you're going to be attempting first. Plus already have a time allocation in your mind, that I will spend 1.5 hours in section A and 1.5 hours on section B. So whatever is your time management strategy, have that also in place. And also very important to get your exam day preparation done, like your print your docket, have your ID card ready and all of those. So get everything required for your examination ready, plus build your exam strategy. Spend good 2 to 3 hours doing that, and also analyze your weaker areas and your stronger areas and develop the strategy. Then what you should be doing is revise is what I will recommend. What you can do is also, probably every topic that you're revising, you can pick one random questions from, let's say, the study hub or from the exam kit and solve a question. So you are also getting some sort of revision, and you're also getting a flavor of the question, so you're getting a flavor of the question paper. So do that for the next 3 days. If you know that topic which you're not confident about, then try to avoid that topic in the last 3 days. The first 4 days you can definitely do that topic, but in the last 3 days work on your stronger topics, stronger concept, because we need to be confident before the examination, and also we need to be stress free. So if you pick up something new, you're going to stress out, so please don't do that. Just do everything you know really well, so that you're quite confident before the examination. And as recommended by everyone, please sleep well, eat well, and do not have any sort of stress before your examination. In case you're feeling underconfident or you're feeling stressed out, you can reach out to me for any sort of assistance for your ACC examination. Wishing you all the very best for your upcoming examination. And guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such tips. Please share it with more of your ACCA friends. Do like the video and drop in a comment below on how your ACCA preparation is going on. I'll be back with more such content.